Aries, this is your channel messages for the, I'm sorry Aries, wait, this is going to be really bad. Just please get rubbed on my boob a little. Thank you so much. I had to clean off this because I didn't like how it looked. What is happening? It looks dirty. Wait. Aries. Here's a wait. This is what you have to get. You want to raw me? This is a raw me. Okay, Aries, hi. Maybe you need to rub your eyes, Aries, or you need to change your glasses. Because your glasses is scratched up, or bro, let go off of the glasses. You let go off of that whole ass 2 months ago. You need to change your glasses now. Great. Anyways, hi Aries, how are you? I am your host Vanessa Carby, psychic medium, spiritual practitioner, and tarot reader. I'm still getting used to looking here, Aries, and not here. Great. Your channel song, Aries, is I've been searching for you. I heard a cry within my soul. I never had a yearning quite like this before. Now that you are walking right through my door, all of my life, where have you been? I wonder if I will ever see you again. And if that day comes, I know we could win. I wonder if I will ever see you again. Aries, that is the channel's song. Lenny Kravitz, see you again, okay? He wants to know, will he see you again? Will he or will he not? I am trying to figure out if I'm going to say Ruslan Drummer again. This is what the fuck I'm trying to figure out. Him not left him wife yet, right? Oh, he's in shot again now. Ooh, Quand je vois le Ruslan encore. Let me look up him. Lincoln, when would I see you again? You underwater grower. You're unreasonable, people. You're growing seeds underwater. Oh, yeah. His eyes is just as beautiful as I remember them. I could see why he has a wife so early. Let me look. I can't go. I'm not on. Oh, and see. For sure. Say Center dedication, the adult lacquer. That's where I met him. He'll probably take it off soon. Must be nice. Anyways, so yeah, Aries, they want to know, will he see you again? We know King Nalo was going to the cards to find out. I'm a walking lone soul, you know this. You know I just inhabit spaces that are not inhabited. Okay, let's go, Aries. Let's go into your channel messages. We got the Ace of Cups. Okay, so I guess someone's in a good mood or this is good news. I'm getting smiling. I'm just getting smile. I'm getting a smiley face. I'm getting smiling. I was going to say love. I'm not getting love. May I get smiling, like you're smiling or something pleases you. It pleases you? Great, that's my job. Yeah, I'm getting something that pleases you a lot. You're happy about something. You're very, very happy about something. Maybe you're happy somebody remembered something. This could be something about your birthday. You know, Sarah is May 11. Anyways, right, there's something about your birthday. Or something about this baby, you're welcoming this baby. Or something about you're thinking about this baby. I don't even know if the baby is yours, but I'm getting you thinking about this child, okay? But I'm getting something is very happy. This could literally be you're going into labor, your water broke, you had a baby, your water broke, the baby is here. So I'm getting you, oh! I just fucking remembered. Congratulations to Glorilla and her bundle of joy that she will be expecting soon. Jesus Christ, Glorilla posted a picture on her social media with she and the baby father. Glorilla, you are glowing. That's the first foremost, right? The second thing is your man. Thank you for sharing your man with us, ma'am. Thank you for telling us how your baby father look. I wanted to see the man who was inside of you. I saw him and I am very impressed, girl. Glorilla. You understand? Your man look good. I don't know him character. I don't know what I'm doing offline, but all I know, Glorilla, you have made us proud. I'm F-R-E-E, motherfucking free. That means I don't have an ugly nigga trying to cheat, right? Jesus Christ. Glorilla, your baby father look nice, no blood clots, girl. You chose well. And you have enough money right now. You are going to make a great mother. There's nothing really else left for you as a woman to do. You get the money already. You have shown these motherfucking niggas who the fuck is the boss. And yeah, so the only thing left for you to do with that much money is have a baby. Glorilla, your baby father look nice. Glorilla, you are glowing with that bundle of joy inside of you. I want to you, yes, Glorilla, tell them, say sometimes life takes us different paths. Now you are the top of your rap career and you just have a baby. Meanwhile, some girl have to migrate from Jamaica to Quebec and end up homeless for 5 years and divorced. I'm okay. You know I'm not Glorilla. I'm okay. I'm fine, right? So congratulations on your bundle of joy. Okay, as I said this, I remember Glorilla. Anyways, let us continue the reading, alright? Yeah, we have the 10 of Wands. Okay, I don't know if this is about a baby or it's about an unfinished house. Because I'm getting something finished yet. The nursery is not finished or the house isn't. We have a 2 of Pentacles. You're waiting on more money or you need more time. You don't have time. Yeah, I'm getting the babies here. The nursery don't bill. You need more time. Plus you want sex. What is this? This kind of feels like you can't wait until somebody have a baby so you want to have sex on your pregnant girlfriend. This is kind of how it feels too. Or something about you like having sex with pregnant women. Like pregnant body, like you like it. But me getting the nursery not bill yet, the room don't bill yet, or me getting you're not prepared for this baby. The baby come too fast. Maybe the baby came premature. Me getting the baby come when the baby not supposed to come basically. Like 3 weeks before the baby supposed to come, the baby come. But I kind of see you having a baby and then you're having sex again. So me getting you're gonna have another baby while you're breastfeeding. Even though I remember when I was working in the pharmacy, a lot of women would come to the pharmacy and say that they want to be put on birth controls while breastfeeding. And I remember, distinctively remember, a co-worker keep telling these ladies, once you are breastfeed, they can't get pregnant. I'm gonna say, why should I tell the woman them this? No, is that true, Doctors of Canada? Mr. What's his name? Dr. Board. Because what we're trying to tell the Canadians is that you just have to understand that, listen, there's no way to secure the Canadian people from the COVID vaccination, but what we can tell Canadians and the people of Toronto is that in order for you to make sure that, you get the effectiveness of the vaccine, you just have to go ahead and make the conscious decision to get your COVID vaccinations, right? Call Dr. Boyd, right? Ask Dr. Boyd if it's true. Can you, because I hear she tell the people them say, if you breastfeed, you can't get pregnant. If you breastfeed and having sex unprotectedly, you can't get pregnant. Me not believe in that. Because me is a woman with one in stroller and one in hand. So I don't know where she got that logic from. Either way, yeah, me getting something about you pregnant, having sex while somebody pregnant, Aries. Or me getting something about, you have a baby now. Me getting you have a baby, you feel like your body feel weird, look weird, but the world card is ending the reading. So I'm getting something is ended in sex. Something is complete, it ended. Maybe you were watching if somebody was pregnant. I'm getting they're not pregnant, so that's your cue to practice pregnancy with them. You're the Queen of Swords. I'm getting a Libra. Or I'm getting no, she's not pregnant if that's what you're asking. I'm getting something was stressing. I'm getting this baby are trying to figure out who the baby belongs to, being stressing it out. It don't belong to her. Because I'm getting, like you're asking somebody when is the last time you have sex. And them I say 1 year ago. And you say, but you would be pregnant. Wouldn't you? I'm getting, it didn't get, the two ovaries. Yeah, me getting you didn't get pregnant. Nobody got pregnant. So I don't know if me know. Maybe the girl just told you that she missed her period because she never want to fuck you again. Girls will lie about those things, just not fuck you again. If they don't want to hurt your feelings, they will just be like, oh, I missed my period. So that you guys can just run because when I think we're pregnant. Or because she don't want to talk to you. Either way, I'm going to leave it here. No, am I? Yes? No? Oh, I didn't pull any of these. My apologies. My apologies, Aries. So maybe somebody had a child. Me getting somebody had a baby the last time you see them. And you were wondering, would you ever see them again? Maybe. Maybe not. We shall never fucking know to this day. To this day. Hidden prisons. Maybe somebody been in prison. Or that's what you heard. Well, how did they get pregnant in prison? Because surely 2 girls can't get pregnant. So which security guard will work at prison or at work? Which security guard is with the people them supposed to be watching? Oh, me also get a dream. Something about this white man. Him have tattoo on him. And him fat. Me getting on a give him a security job. Me getting he's fucking the girls in the bathroom. Yeah. So I don't know if him a one prisoner, security, or him secure something that's kind of regulated. Me getting him a sneak with the girl in the bathroom and the girl a give him head in the bathroom. But it's full of security. Me getting something like that. I don't know who we're talking about, but that's the dream I got. The dream I get, me in one bathroom stall. I'm sit down for pee, and when I look over, I see one girl I see one white girl on her knees, and I see one white leg stand up. And I look over and I do this and look underneath the stall, and I see she give him head on her knee in a one bathroom stall while him stand up. I get one security guard and a half there. That's fucking, I don't know what them fucking basically. But I'm getting an inmate is pregnant. Yeah, MK Ultra. Like him, I manipulate the inmate them. We have marriage. We have one way. We have I have to take these secrets to the grave and the world card. I'm gonna leave it here. Until next time, Aries. Bye.